This video shows the recommended method to install loose tube cable into AFL's Apex sealed splice closure. Cable preparation lengths for Apex vary by cable and application. Refer to the written instructions or Apex cable length table located at aflglobal.com/Apex. The recommended tools for the Apex closure are basic cable tools and a can wrench, plus all locally required safety equipment. Remove Apex dome from box and press flash valve on top of closure to relieve all pressure. This first step is required when installing a new sealed closure or opening in field during service. Simply remove cap and depress needle to ensure all pressure or vacuum is released. Replace cap and tighten. The Apex base are 6 ports with orange port plugs, each holding the same diameter cable. There are also optional ground studs with removable bonding linkage between studs. This assembly includes a ground lug to attach to a shield bonding kit. Use the mount insert as a reference for port designations.